And this is an interesting one here. It looks like we got them jet ski boys down here working on the jet ski right on the ramp. And when I say on the ramp, I mean literally on the ramp. Well, apparently I'm wrong. We're going to pick it up and we're going to move it over to the dock and we're going to work on it right on the dock. Welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I am your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting Boynton Beach. And our crew is going to do a little dock side mechanics, I guess, right on the dock. So after a few minutes, it appears we are done whatever we were doing dockside, as we are going to drag it down here, and I'm assuming we're going to throw it back into the water. It looks like they just dropped something in the water. I'm not 100% sure. And there we go. Just kick it off. Maybe they're done with this ski. They're like, yeah, bro, whatever. Bye. But Sombrero Bro kicks it off, and we're going to let it sit here. And now, brap, here we go. No wake zone. Jet ski boy, don't care. Gonna take off. Our crew's heading in onto the dock they're looking for here. And we've got somebody who's about ready to try and pull out. And so here we go. Our crew's going to make their first attempt to try and pull this boat out. And it doesn't look like they're really getting anywhere. So they're struggling, it appears, to try and get this thing up the ramp. So gonna try again. And again, no. Only gonna get a few feet up, and he's gonna have to come back down one more time. They really aren't getting very far at all, either. So attempt number 3 to try and get her out. Taking it slow and easy, still a little bit of tire slippage, but it looks like they should be good to roll possibly this time, but the boat's a little crooked on the trailer. So our girl's ready to back it down. She's got the lines in hand. Her boyfriend was giving her a little coaching from the side of the truck before we got in, which tells me is probably her first time handling the lines, as he was kind of explaining to her exactly what was going to happen as she did this. So he starts to back down. She's got to make it around the pole, and she's also going to watch out for the guide pole so that the lines don't get stuck on it, especially as he tries to pull this trailer back out. So she's trying to get it over. She's doing pretty good so far. And she looks all right. He's going to pull forward with the trailer. She's trying to figure it out how she's going to get this thing all the way back over. So it looks like she's tying one line somewhere around the mid-cleat. I mean, no, she didn't. It looked like she leaned down to try and grab a line. But now she's trying to figure out exactly what she's going to do. So she's going to take that bow line, try tying it off on the front. And we're going to run back to try and keep the boat from smacking the dock. And she tells him he's good to go, that she's got it from here. Good first effort for sure. Oh, and here comes Old Reliable, that single jet ski trailer launch that always seems to deliver for us down here at the boat ramp. And here we can see the silver truck trying to bring this trailer down. So our crew is definitely going to take that slow roll approach, and we are already kind of heading off at a funky angle as we turn the trailer into the dock. But the good news for this crew, this ramp is 3 wide, and why not? You've got all 3 lanes to work with. Take your sweet time, use all 3 lanes, and get the job done. But our crew is backing this trailer toward the dock, and now the truck's heading toward the dock. Bro, that's not gonna work. So they're trying to get it back around, but look at how close the truck is to the dock. Oh my. So they're going to pull out and try and line this one up one more time. So here we go on attempt number 2. The trailer's heading toward the dock again, though. And the truck's so close to the dock, I don't think they're going to be able to do anything with it. So they turn the truck over to try and get everything a little more to the right. And not a bad setup right there. But they don't like it again and pull forward one more time. I love, even if you look to the right of the screen, you can see our guy just sitting here watch this action happen as well, because they know it's going to be good. So, sharp turn this time, but the problem with this turn is they're getting the truck close to the dock again. And I just don't understand why. We don't need the truck this close to the dock. We've got plenty of room. Nobody's launching beside you. Use all the space available. There's no need to edge it that close. And I don't think this is going to get you there either. So they'll pull forward again on this one to try and line it up one more time. And decent angle this time. Let's see if they can get it brought back straight. If so, they'll be good to go. And again, I feel like the truck is close to the dock. The trailer's starting to drift away on them. I mean, they just got to get it wet enough for the ski to get in the water. They pull forward a little bit. His buddy is now telling him to stop. And here we go. We're going to get the old Boynton Beach backup assist, where we just drag the trailer over enough to be able to get this one lined up. And now they just have to go the last few feet to try and close the deal on this one. And they'll be good to go, finally. Speaking of single jet skis, here comes them jet ski boys back in. The same way we started, looks like it's going to be the same way we end. With these boys brapping their way on in. And here you can tell, man, how crazy this channel is that comes into Boynton. If you look over here in the green, obviously these markers are supposed to mark the channel, but you can tell there's one of those markers is even dry right now. But that's how narrow and shallow this channel gets coming in when it gets super low and the dock blocker starts to get exposed on that southern side. And our guy's trying to come in. Looks like he's trying to get it back up on plane a little bit. Again, no wake zone. Jet ski boys don't care. Brap. And that's going to end it. And speaking of ending it, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.